Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add pictures to TikTok comments. So for this you will have to just open the TikTok app on this Android device, and here you will see the interface of like this of TikTok. So you will just have to open any random video and you will just into comments, and here you will see not everyone can post pictures in TikTok comments. The feature is only available in some regions and on some devices. To see if you can post a picture in a comment, tap the typing area where you normally type a comment. Then tap to photo icon on the right. If you don't see a photo icon, the feature is not available to you. It's available in some regions. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.